The clothing rental market is exploding. I know this personally because I've been an avid renter of clothing and accessories for many, many years. And in fact, the compound annual growth rate of the clothing and accessories rental market is upwards of 11%. However, brands have a hard time taking advantage of this high growth market because they consider it kind of hard to run a rental model side by side with their traditional sales model. So we're going to show you how straightforward and easy it is to actually run both models side by side within one platform with ElasticPath. So I've come to the ElasticPath demo environment, and you can see that it's set up already to have a sort of standard transactional environment already alongside a rental model. It's very straightforward to set this up with ElasticPath, but let's just walk through a scenario as a customer, and then I'll show you within ElasticPath Commerce Manager how we can set those things up. So you can see when I click on rent, I can offer some categories based on the products that you want to make available. I'm going to do shop bags here. And you can see some of these for rental purposes are $0 items, right? Because once I've subscribed, I don't have to pay anything additional to rent the item. I personally am a big fan of Chanel. You can see that's the first featured product here, and I'm going to click on that, and you can see what it's telling me is that I need to apply in order to rent this bag. So I'm going to go ahead and say I want to apply to borrow, and it's going to take me to this membership page, which I can also access right through the membership menu option. So I can then say, yep, I'm going to apply for this particular plan, and I'm going to register as a new customer. So we'll apply. I've registered. You can see this goes right into my bag. We're just going to update our information here. And I'm actually going to go ahead and sign up for one-click checkout. So the next time I want to transact, it'll be much more efficient. And purchase. Now my subscription has started. And just to show you, when I click my account, we can see now my membership status highlights my level. I'm at the couture level. This is my last order. And now when I come back to that particular product, shop bags. It's my favorite Chanel purse right there. And let's maybe check out this Prada. Beautiful, I love it. And now I'm going to add it to my closet. So this isn't like a cart transaction where I'm making a purchase. This is just now coming to Julie. We're going to put it in my closet. I'm going to place that order and go. It's a $0 transaction. I just needed to type in my shipping address. No transaction happens. We're just putting this item in my closet so it can get shipped to me from ElasticPath. Let's go check out my account again. And now you can see this My Closet section has been updated with my product that I've rented. So this is a common model in the rental approach where customers want to keep track of what they currently rented. In this case, it's this beautiful bag. And then when I'm ready to return it and rent something else, I can simply come here and return my item and something new. Now, how did we set all of that up? Let's go into ElasticPath Commerce Manager and take a look at some of the things that we did. The first thing is, how do I set up membership products? The idea that I want to offer membership tiers, I need to transact, they cost a certain amount of money, and we're going to have kind of a recurring subscription. For instance, I might just do a quick search. Let's go and look at one of our membership tiers. Quickly narrow that down to our couture plan. And basically what we do is we leverage what we call product templates, which is really just a collection of product attributes that I can assign to any product. And then I can use those attributes to drive behavior within the platform. So you can see here on my couture plan, I'm identifying whether this product is a membership product or is it a rental item. If I don't add this template and don't make any of these selections, then those products are just regular purchasable products on my site. So in this case, the couture is a membership plan, and I can put in the details that I want. This is just the description that's going to get put on that beautiful membership page that we saw before. And so set that up. Similarly, I've just put in the monthly pricing. You can see what the pricing is for this particular tier, and that's how we know that this product is a subscription plan, in this case, the couture plan. Similarly, if we go in and look at that bag, There's my purse that we just rented. Now in this case, what we do on the product templates, a little different. So the first thing is we identify that it is a rental item, and then I've identified what tier it's available to. The classic tier, couture tier, premier tier, and so on. And so you can see that this is a classic. And so in our model, I chose the highest membership, which was couture, which gives me essentially access to everything in that special tier and below it, which is why I was able to rent this particular product. But it's just as easy as creating those products, identifying whether it's a rental item and then what tier that rental item belongs to. And then of course, all of the merchandising happens just as you saw in previous videos, where I can come into my catalog here and identify which products that I want to merchandise. Click this box here and then say, oh, okay, I want to assign this to the rental node within my hierarchy. So that's a men's product, for example, and we're going to pop that into our Shop the Look category. And it's really as easy as that, being able to set up the attributes that define how your products are going to behave within your front-end environment. And suddenly, instead of having to have a side-by-side model where there's no visibility in between who your customers are that are renting versus buying, when you combine that into one platform, it gives you the ability to understand the full life cycle of the customer and how they transact with you, which products are rentals versus purchase. And you can even turn off a formal rental product, right? So maybe that bag, after a certain number of rentals, I want to then offer it for purchase. So I'm just going to turn off my rental switch and merchandise it in my regular accessories category. So I can come in and just to show you how quick and easy that is, let's go back and get that product. And all I have to do is remove the templates, the attributes essentially, that dictate whether it's a rental or a regular sale product. And then of course I'm going to need to update pricing. It's no longer $0. We're going to offer this for $599.99. So again, in just a few clicks, I've gone from something that was previously a rental item that generated a lot of revenue for my organization, and now I'm ready to sell it. I just go ahead and remove the rental attributes, update the price, and now I'm going to go in and drop it in my regular buy category. So we're going to assign that to our accessories node. And that's how you run a rental and a transactional model in one site, in one environment, side by side.